An additional concept related to probability is that of expected value. So, expected value is the average gain or loss of an event if the procedure is repeated many times. So, don't let this formula where it says mu, right? Remember, we're talking about population. That's typically what you use Greek letters for. Mu equals E of X. And then you've got this symbol that looks like an E. That's a capital Greek letter called sigma, which signifies summation. Okay, so you're going to take the expected value of a particular event or outcome multiplied by its probability, and then you just do that for each particular outcome. Okay, so it's real simple. You multiply each outcome by its respective probability and you add them all together. Okay, so let's see this via an example. So let's start out with a football example, a raffle ticket situation. All right, a raffle ticket is being sold for $20. 1,500 raffle tickets are sold. Only one raffle ticket is the winning raffle ticket. We want to find, or we want to compute the expected value. So the first thing we're going to do, we got two potential outcomes. You can have a winning ticket. So let's call this situation one, winning ticket. So the probability of winning, and let's use notation. Probability of winning is there's only one winning ticket out of the 1,500 that are sold. Okay. Now, if you win, your earnings or your profit, I guess you would say, and I like to call it net profit. Okay. So, if I win, I get $1,000. And that's nice, but it costs $20 to play or to buy a raffle ticket. So your net is $980. So you have to always look at the net. Okay. Now, first outcome, win the ticket. Other outcome is a losing ticket. And then find your probability. That's everything else. So that's the complement of winning, okay? Which is $14.99 over 1,500. And then you say, well, what's the net profit if I lose? Okay. If you lose, you don't get anything. So that's zero. But you still have to pay to buy the raffle ticket, which is $20. So the net in this case, you would just be out your $20. Now notice that negative symbol. Okay, so then our expected value would be 1 over 1,500 times 980 or $980 plus 14.99 over 1,500 times the loss of $20. Okay. Type this into calculators. So the expected value. So if somebody asked you, should you buy this raffle ticket for this $1,000 for this football team? Your expected value is negative $19.33. Okay, so essentially you're giving them a donation. All right, because the probability of you winning is extremely low. So the expected value in this case is negative, all right, which means If you did this multiple times, in almost all cases, you're gonna give up the $20. So it's better just to make a donation as opposed to uh, expecting to win, because that's not the case in this particular example. All right, so moving on. Let's say we've got a game involving the rolling of two dice. If the sum is 12, you win $10. Otherwise, if the sum is greater than 8, you win $5. Okay, the cost to play